Welcome back, folks. This is Tommy, Help with Gadgets, and we've got another interesting knife to do a disassembly and cleaning of today. This is the Tristate Tristache, and this is a knife that is on loan to me from FredTheLug. Interesting knife. I have a little bit of trouble getting to that opening hole sometimes and miss a deployment, but the front flipper is really good. But this is an interesting knife in that it has a button actuated frame lock. So I've got the button here. If I press that button, it actually moves the frame lock over. So I can choose to move the frame lock over with my finger, or I can grab the button lock there and open it. So this is not a review, just showing you that mechanism. Let's go ahead and get into the knife. T8 on the pivot screw. We're going to grab that and drop that in the alcohol. Then we've got a couple of screws here along the back spacer. You've got a full length back spacer here, and that one was a little tight. Make sure you're using quality bits and that you are being very careful. I don't recall who the OEM is. I think I know who it is, but I'm not going to say because I could be wrong. I'll have to look that up before I do the review though. And then once I get those screws apart, there it comes. And then you can see the mechanism here and how that, let's see if make sure it's focusing, and how that frame lock button works. It's just pushing down that frame lock. Of course, we'll grab the blade there, drop in the bearing, and we'll get the pivot there that just came out with it's got a mustache on it. Look at there. Would you look at that? Alright, let's drop this in here, get that bearing there. We'll grab some alcohol swabs and wipe everything down. Got some weight reduction pockets there. We'll wipe that, make sure no grit or grimes there. We also want to make sure we get that lock face and then get where the bearings go. And we'll go ahead and wipe along the outside as well. Same goes for this side. And we'll use some cotton tip applicator to get down into the cracks and crevices of this pivot area. Wipe everything down. We'll grab another alcohol swab and get that blade. Again, wiping that area where the lock interface goes, where the lock interface is the blade, as it were. Alright, let's see. I think we're good there. Let's grab a cotton tipped applicator and clean those areas there, as well as here. And also that there. Just making sure we get that clean. We'll also do that for the pivot area on the blade. Again, making sure we've cleaned that area there well. Alright, I'm going to use this same one since that's pretty clean. Grab my tweezers there and get these bearings wiped down. Fairly simple disassembly and cleaning thus far. Nothing out of the ordinary except for a mustache on the pivot. Alright, and then we'll grab this pivot screw. I'll grab my driver here, and we're just going to clean that up a bit, trying to make sure it got a lot of junk off of it, didn't it? Alright, let's grab a fresh one there. Back that out again. Got a little bit more there. Trying to get this. Notice there was a little bit of, looked like residue from Loctite on the tip of that pivot screw there. And we'll wipe this down as well again. I think it had, maybe had some kind of grease on it or something. Alright. Let's go ahead and start the assembly process. We're going to grab that that mustache pivot there and put it in place. We've got a flat side, as you can see right there on the pivot. If we look at our other side, it's going to be pointed back against this side of the blade. So we're going to index that around so that it's in the right, or in the correct position. We're going to go ahead and put our bearings in. I'm going to grab Gunny Glide. I usually like to use that, and put just a little dab on each side. Once we start moving that blade, it'll start moving everything around. So there's no reason to put an inordinate amount of oil on it. We're going to place this other, let's see, I want to put it this way. I'm going to place that one there. Actually, I'm going to check and make sure. Yeah, okay. And then I want to put a little bit here on this detent ball. Alright, and we should be good to go to turn this over and line this up. Go ahead and grab my Loctite. This is just Loctite stick. I like using that. Get everything lined up. Let's drop the pivot. And then we'll see if we can get that started there. Not sure we got everything exactly like we want it just yet. There we go. That got it more tighter. And we're in that, if you can see that, you can't even see the blade because of the black blade and how thin it is. But as you can see there, got a little bit of adjusting to do. But we will do that once we get everything put back together. Grab these pivot screws. Grab these body screws and get those tightened. We'll also, once we get that tightened, we'll give a cursory check of the clip screw as well as the screws on this side. Make sure they didn't move. And then what I want to do is tighten, maybe loosen actually. Yeah. Loosen it just a hair. Alright. Let's see how we're looking there. And I know it's hard for you guys to see. Pull that back out. But as you can see there, looks pretty good. Pretty brave there to put that slot there where the blade goes. I mean, you can tell real easy if the blade is off center, no play, and actually the action is really good. So there you have it. This is the Tristate Tristache. This has been a disassembly and cleaning. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't done so. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the knife. Let me know what you think about the pivot, if that's something of interest to you. Hope to see y'all again soon. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and thank you for watching.